welcome to the workshop. Today I will show you Mr. Bosch, the hand trimmer for grass. In the last episode we showed you some tool from Einhell, and today we will show you some tool from Bosch, and we will see which one is practical and doing it a better job than the others, you know. This one comes with a 3 years warranty, which is awesome. Has a 3.6 volts lithium ion battery, 80 millimeters the blade length, and its weight only 0.5 kilograms. Okay, so let's jump inside the box. Bam, my bad. Okay. And let's see what we have inside the box. So we have the 3 years warranty. We have to register on the manufacturer site. Okay, the tools manual. You can also attach your extensible arm over here, which is nice. I'm wondering if I can purchase the tools separately. I think yes. Anyhow, and here is the tool. It seems to be a bit smaller than, you just have to pull it like this, I think. Yep. The blades are a bit smaller than the ones from Einhell, but oh my god, they are really sharp. The ones from Einhell, they were like not that sharp. Okay, so the same idea. Push the button here and you release it, most likely. Yes, no, maybe. What is this one? Okay, so let's see what else is in the box. I would say the charger should be in this side, because I kinda see him. Yep, it's here. It has a special socket, so yeah, you cannot use it on other things. I hate these things. Why you cannot use one kind of socket and be happy with that? In case that one breaks, you can use it from the other tool you have, you know. But yeah, everybody is more interested in the business, not in the longevity of the things. Okay, so let's see how this is going out. But first, let's see how noisy it is before I pull it out. Okay. Okay, so pressing it, it does no nothing. This might be a locker. Yep. Okay, so I'm pressing it and I'm not sure what is this LED indicator here. Maybe it's the one for battery, so you know that the battery is discharging. Ouch. Damn, this is really pointy. So guys, be careful with it. And we have two clips for releasing the tool, yeah. Let's see. Yep. As you can see, there are two clips on each side. From the looks of it, the changing things are way better made than the ones from Einhell. It's more easier to clip it. You have 2 pins over here that enters in this hole, and 4 pins, my bad, and 2 here. And these things are holding it in place, which is great. I would say that I like this more than the one from Einhell from the start of it. Bam! And yeah, we will see it in action in a couple of moments. So stay tuned for the action, of course. So thank you for watching and see you in the next one.